I go to this 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Mega love shout out, Bila Moore's live vlog. Mega love shout out sa lahat. 6 eyes. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for coming to my live. 1 hour lang ako, guys. I'm gonna show my face within 1 hour because I just came from work and I'm tired. And I'm doing the Kripa. 4 minutes. Okay, sis. Hello, Roman Plank. Mega love shout out. Okay, and then I will Villamor's live blog. I will because I don't know if I can open a lot on my account. I will on my other account, okay? With Nympha TV2, Villamor's live blog. Okay. Where is Villamor's live blog? Okay, I plus 1 for you because the Nympha TV 2 is not subscribed with you yet. So I will that's road trip city of Cordialine. Oh wow, thumbs up 170 and then I'm subscribed. Okay? And I will just watch it. Oh no, no speaking Espanol. Poquito, un poquito, a Roman Plank. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, Villamor's live vlog. I will just add comments in here. I'm just gonna say thumbs up. From Nympha TV, okay? Because I cannot open too much cell phones on the same account. I got 2 Nympha already. The one that I doing live and then the one I'm watching Sis Kripa. And then that's why I engage with you Villamor's live blog on my other account, my supporting account, the same name. Okay? So I'm just gonna play that one, no sounds. And Hillbilly Creativity, I think I already did what do you call this, engage with you. I engaged earlier so that I'm not gonna have a hard time that much with engaging. Okay, sis Kripa, you're almost done with your I gonna also engage with a short. Okay, sis Kripa. Thank you for coming to my live, sis. Thank you, thank you. One of our friends also is doing the live today. It's Julie Tabaw. I think your friend with Julie Tabaw also. So. Ano man lang? Tambal. Tambal sa? Katong gikuha na to? Yeah. Ito yung gipalit nga lain. Katong naproxen para sa... Tuwa dito ang naproxen dong. Do you like the naproxen? Oh, I think that's the one over there, the atorvastatin. I was talking to my husband. Okay, done already, sis Kripa. Sis Kripa Soba Official. I already and I will go to your shorts, sis. Maybe more shorts. Probably to couple of shorts. Because I'm not having a hard time of that much because I'm using my other account, the Nympha TV2, for engagement for Idol Villamor. Okay? Wow, it's so nice, sis. Oh, it's all pink. Hello, Elijah. Miguel, shout out. Wow, that's awesome. This is awesome, sis. I love it. And then one more shorts. And we will look for here. So one long video, sis, and two shorts. I engage with you. Thank you for coming, sis, ha? I love you all. That's the one, sis, right now. And Villamore, I will add also one long video and two shorts so that we can be more friends. If we do engage too much, then every time you guys have videos or you're doing live, then I can see you right away. It's gonna go to my wall. Okay, thank you so much, sis Kripa, and my idol Villamore's vlog. Okay, and then I will try to open my laptop. I want to make highlight because I want to open highlight for 10 minutes, because in the cell phone you can make highlights only 5 minutes. That's why thank you, sis Kripa. Thank you for coming to the live. Okay, I'm going to look on my cell phone. Hello, make love shout out Maring Kababayan Mix Vlog. Okay, I will go to your channel. Punta ako sa ano mo, sis Maring. Iano kita. Hello everyone, sabi ni. Okay, andito ako sa ano mo, sis. Paano ba masyadong madilim? Paano ba? Ayan. May bago ka ba, sisi? Uy, malapit ko na matapos pala itong lahat. Ito na lang ano, sis. Ay, tapos na rin pala, sis. Teka, maghanap ako ha. Para pangdagdag sa ano. Pangdagdag sa views. Ito na lang, banana Q, sis. James sir na, he said bakla. Okay, thank you. I'm bakla. Di ako bakla. Kla. Okay. I'm just gonna show this one. I like it. Okay, sis. Maring Kababayan Vlogs. I really miss the banana Q in the Philippines. I miss this food. Mega love shout out James Third na. Okay, banana Q, and I'm done with the banana Q with the white sugar. Okay, this one gorgeous sunset. Is that bilo? Banana Q. Banana Q, James. Ano ka ba, James? Are you Filipino? Okay, sis Maring Kababayan Vlogs, wala ka pang bago. Kaya tingnan natin si James Third na kung meron ba siyang ano. Oh, okay. Are you Filipino, James? Oh, okay. No. Okay. But how do you know the word bakla? Naon sa dong? Aw. How do you know bakla, James? It's okay if you say bakla. If I'm bakla, it's okay. If you say I'm bakla, bakla, that's good. That's okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the live. Let me go open my laptop first so that I can make what do you call this? I wanna make a highlights. I wanna make a highlights like a highlight. Oh, good morning po. Good morning, Jennifer. Okay, hold on. Tingnan ko muna kung ano ba, nagkadikit na ba tayo ha? Nakadikit ka na ba sa akin, Jen? Oh, you got 473. Okay, subscribe mo ako, Ading. At punta ako doon muna sa shorts mo. I will go to your shorts. Ito. Okay.
I'm watching you live right now.
Really? Okay, comment over there, Inday.
I can't.
Oh, channel namin ng baby ko na isang PWD. Yeah, okay. I'm watching it right now. Tapos mag-subscribe ako sa iyo, ha? Jennifer Gapula. Sending support, sabihin ko, sending support and new dikit. Sabihin ko na lang dyan. Okay? Malapit na matapos, Jen. Bigyan mo na kita ng ano, Jen, blue moderator, ha? Para maka-add ka dyan kung sinong nandyan. Okay, you're a standard moderator now. Ayan. Okay, mag-subscribe na ako. Ayan, all bell na, ha? Na nakasubscribe na. Thank you, Sis Kripa. You're still there. It's okay, guys. You go to some other lives too. That's okay because we need to support each other. Mag-support tayo. Let's support each other, guys. Okay, you add comment again, Jennifer, para makita mo yung blue mod mo, blue jacket. Okay, and then I will do this one, Jen, yung live mo, highlights 5 minutes, okay? And one short and one long video. Ayan. Hayaan ko na lang ito kung na mag-play. Hindi ko lang muna lagyan ng ano, ng naka-mute yun. Okay, magawa muna ako ng highlights, guys. I'm gonna do highlights. I'm gonna where is it? I'm gonna do highlights in my laptop so that we can make it longer, not only 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna make you go to the link, to the pin, you